In order to link accounts within Marvel Rivals, it's as simple as logging into your account. I'm on Steam here, and this is probably the easiest way of doing it. And if you are doing this from Steam, I do want to recommend go ahead and log in like I have done here. I've logged into my Sony PlayStation account here. Go ahead and do that within a browser tab. That way, it just makes the process easier. So here we are within Marvel Rivals. You want to hit either the settings gear icon in the upper right-hand corner, or just tap the escape key on your keyboard and go to settings. And then once here, you want to go to the other tab, which is the second to the right over here, and then scroll all the way down and you'll see an option that says account linking. Go to link now. Once you do that, you'll see the list of accounts that you can link, everything from Xbox, Epic, Loading Bay, and PlayStation. We'll go ahead and select PlayStation for the purposes of this video. And then it says, due to account authorization issues, please make sure that your PlayStation account is either a linked account or logged out. So it's a linked account for me. So I'm going to hit confirm. And as you can see, because I was already logged in, it says account bound. Please log in again. Go ahead and get back into Marvel Rivals like you see I've done here. Go to settings once more, go to other, down to account linking. And as you can see, if we go to link now, my PlayStation account is linked. And the way that you know that is because it says the option here. It says unlink. So we can unlink the accounts by coming back here, going to unlink, and you are good to go. If you have any questions about how to do this, put them in the comment section below. I'll have some frequently asked questions for people if you're running into some issues. And I'll see you guys in the next video.